The panel of ANDELI double-voltage, low-temperature aluminum welding machine is digital display clearly shows all the functions and parameters. AC cold spout is suitable for thin aluminum welding. AC argon arc pulse is suitable for quick welding of aluminum plate. DC cold spout focus on sheet welding with no discolor and no sanding. DC coating turbo can continue spout welding rapidly on sheet metal. DC argon arc spout is suitable for thick plate welding. DC argon arc pulse is suitable for fast welding of thick plate. Standard power line is suitable for voltage conversion between 110 volts and 220 volts. The body designs humanized handle, which is easy to carry and up-down stairs. ANDELI welding machine, new era of intelligent welding.